channel. My name is Bola Harrison, and if you're an existing subscriber, you already know how we do it. I love you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for liking my videos, for sharing them. Thank you for leaving your comments in my comment box. Anyways, today, if you are a new subscriber, you're welcome to my channel too. I love you too, and I appreciate your support too. And today I'm continuing my Exploring Ibadan series, where I pick a location or locations. I go there, scout, see what it looks like, and see or show you what living in Ibadan looks like, to tell you that Ibadan is now the new Lagos. Ibadan is popping. Anyways, today I'm reviewing 3 locations, and they are: I'm going to Pizza Nova. It's a new pizza place, not really so new, but like I've been there once. The decor is nice, but I just want to go there again to see what it looks like. I really can't remember the last time I went there, but it's not new. Or I'm actually considering going to Domino's Pizza and Costo, but I still would prefer to take another pizza rather than taking Domino's Pizza. So that's why I decided to go to Pizza Nova. And then I'm going to Agodi Gardens, and after Agodi Gardens I'll be going to Tamberma. I've always wanted to go to Tamberma since like 2021 when I got to Ibadan. So suffice to say, today I'm going to Tamberma. I'm going to go rock at Tamberma. Anyways, today's Sunday, so you can see the excitement of why I picked to go to Tamberma on a Sunday. I just believe that it's going to be more lively, it's going to be more maybe fun. So I'm going out soon. Alright, I'm stepping out in like a minute or in a couple of minutes, and then I'll show you what I'm wearing, and I'll take you along on this journey. This is how I just let off steam in Ibadan when I feel like I've overworked, or when I feel like, you know, just doing my Alarica of Lagos kind of thing, but now in Ibadan. So no long story, keep watching my videos, and I want to implore you, please like this video to support me, to support this movement. Share the video with your friends. Hit the subscribe button, please guys. The subscribe button is free. It's absolutely free except for your data. So subscribe and then turn on your notifications, so whenever I upload pink videos, you'll be the first to know. So I'll show you what I'm wearing, and then I'll take you along on this journey to see Ibadan with me. And if I should change my location in the course of this video, please bear with me. It's just Ibadan has a lot of beautiful places, so I found it difficult to make up my mind and decide where I'm going to today. So today is my Hangout day, and I've picked this location. I might change them, but stay tuned, keep watching. Let me show you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this beautiful dress I made myself. So I'll put a picture up later, and I'm looking pink, by the way. So I'll see you guys. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere.
Beautiful temptation, hot girl on rotation. Shake it, baby, shake it.
absolutely nothing. You're only coming here to see big swimming pool. Anyways, Sha, I'm going back to my house. I just came here to look. No animals. Like, what happened to all the animals? Just us riding. So I'll leave my house to come and ride us. Let's be going, please. Yes. I just pray someone will not fall. They can't even put proper, maybe walking stones, or what do they call those brick stones? Ah man, no. I will take Lekki conservative. I mean, is it conservative or conservation? Lekki Conservative Center over this 1,000 times 1 million times. See where we are passing. Just see where we are passing. Where is the tree? Where is the garden? Where is the flower? Where is? So I feel cheated. This place, the zoo that they put on their whatever online and on their direction board, there is no zoo. There's no animals. Or there are no animals, there are no garden, there's not even any garden, there's nothing garden about this place. This place should just be called a picnic center and a swimming pool area for people. Like, if you want to swim in a big pool, just come and swim. But it's not a garden, it does not have a, in fact, I feel ripped off, like they ripped me off. Entrance fee, I just come and see people doing their normal. I'm heading back to my jungle, to my trenches. Alright guys, so I came back home, or I came back to my guest house. I'm all dressed. I had to change my outfit, then take a break because Agodi Gardens was a wreck. It was not it for me, so I left there early. I came back to the guest house all dressed up, and I'm going to Tamberma, and I really do hope that Tamberma meets up to my expectations, because Agodi Garden was a total fail, like epic failure. So I'm stepping out now. This is what I'm putting on. So alright, see ya Tamberma. Every day, but your heart's like a friend. No, I don't know. And you think that will be there. So you